Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 7 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the pergola. We added some windows and we added all the mullions. Now we're gonna continue working on this. We want to start by creating our kitchen. So now let's go to level 1, and here under our level 1 I want to move our section on this side, and then I want to flip them as well so that we'll be able to see what we're working on. So I'm just adding it here and I want to see everything. What I'm planning to do is to have basically an L shape. Fridge will be on this side, L shape. We have cabinets on top of here, but not on this side because we have some windows right here. So something different. So now let's go to architecture, drop down component, model in place, and then select generic model, press OK, and then OK. Click on extrusion, and we want to set this to a wood material, a different wood material. So here, let's choose one of this materials right here, 28C. Click apply, OK, and then we're going to create the base. Here, let's set this one to 875, and then let's add an L shape right here. I'm gonna set this to around 600, and then I want to make sure to maintain all of that. So this one should be around 600 as well. I want to see 650. I want to set this to 650 instead, and then trim and extend on both sides, and then delete those remaining right there. So 650 and then 650 on this side. So I'm happy with that. And then after that, click on finish, look at it at 3D, and it will look like that. Next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add our kick plate. So we're gonna use a void form and then sweep. Pick path, select here and select here. Click on finish, and then click here again, edit profile, and then select this rectangle. We're going to put this one right here. This one is around 50, and then this one is make it 100. So that's our kick plate. Click finish, and then go to modify again, and then click finish again, and then click on cut geometry. So now it's cut. As you can see right there, we created our kick plate. Next, I'm going to go back to level 1 and select this to add in our top. So here I'm going to select extrusion, set, and then once you click that, we're going to add so I'm going to use pick line, and then after this I'm going to set this to 25, and the material should be a stone material. This one we already used, so I'm going to use this one. Click there, and then as you can see, I need to set this one properly again. So edit, pick a plane. I'm going to use this plane. There we go. And as you can see, we have our countertop. And then next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add the sink. So what we're gonna do is go to insert. So before we do that, let's click on finish first, and then we could edit this later on. So here, go to insert, load family, and then here what we're gonna do is we're going to go to plumbing, architecture, fixtures, and then select the sink, and we're gonna choose one of this. And then I'm gonna choose this one instead, or maybe the one for the island. So just a small kitchen. Oh no, I'm gonna choose the single. Click on open, CM, and then I wanna select it on this side. And since we're here already, let's add in some of the furniture or equipment. So specialty equipment, domestic, mid-range, and we're going to add in the fridge. So I'm going to use this, click open, type in CM to add it instantly. And then here, I don't want my label to show. Click apply, okay. And then let's align all of this, AL. Let's move this first so that we could align it properly, AL, and then align it there. And of course, we're going to create a case here. So actually, we shouldn't align it. Let's just align it at the back, which is it's already at. So I'm gonna create a case here for this. But I want to change the depth to 650 as well, so that it looks nice enough on this side. So we have enough space, and we still have this one's still visible. So as you can see, we need to void this one as well, because right here we need to edit again. So go to level 1, edit, and then here we need to void extrusion so that we can see the sink here. So rectangle, we need to set it, pick a plane, and then let's select it right here. After that, let's just give it some space like this. I don't want to make sure I want to make sure that I don't touch this because I don't want it to be flashing. And then here, as you can see, we have our extruded part, but it's not extruded too much. So I'm going to extrude it going down so that we could see this one. So cut geometry, and as you can see, it's showing now. So that's how you do it, like that. And then we're going to create an island. So that's the last thing that we're gonna do. What I'm gonna do next is to maybe add something right here. So let's create, or let's do the section. So I want to make sure that we have the section open, and here let's create an extrusion, pick a plane, and then select this wall, and then here we're going to change it to a different wood material, maybe 36C. Apply, okay, select this one and create an opening right here. And then this one should be all the way to 2800 only, so that's perfect. and then delete this, and then SL on this, and then TR, trim and extend. Click finish, see it in 3D, and then let's just push it out like that. And then let's go to level 1. I want to see how it looks. So it looks good. And here we need to add our cabinets. So I want to see what the material we'll use here. See, Control C, go to section, and then let's add or start adding those ones. So here I'm gonna click on extrusion, pick a plane, and we're gonna select it here. I want to have an extrusion of only 10 because it's just the door of the kitchen door. And here I want at least offset this to 10 as well, so that we have some gap going inside like that. And then might as well mirror this. And then here we could just move this one, or just delete or offset this to 5, and then delete the one in the middle, and then another one. So we have those that we could create SL on that, and then SL right here, trim it. This one should be deleted, and then trim it again here, and then delete this part. So now this is looking good. We just need to mimic the spacing, copy it, and grab it from the corner. And then we're gonna do it on this side as well. CO, grab it there, so that we don't need to keep on creating the split element. CO there, I don't want to touch that, so CO, grab it there, and move this one. And you want to make sure that you have the correct spacing. Let's use this, and then put 10. So that's good on that side. And how about on this side? Let's fix this as well. CO, and let's add it on this side as well. Obviously, it's not all hinge door. We have drawers as well. So might as well add those drawers as well right here. Offset it to 10 and copy and grab it. Put it on this side, so to change it a bit, make it equal at least. And then now SL, and then SL. You just need to split it, and then TR, trim and extend, unjoin them. So this one we need to SL as well. This one is an extra, so we could just delete. trim and extend. We need to SL on here, and then this will be extra. Trim and extend, and those are extras. This one's good. Okay, and then now Gulam 36. See, that's fine. So we're gonna do that on the other side as well. Go to 3D, and we have something that looks like this. I want to add more detail, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select that again, or right here, void form, void extrusion instead. Pick a plane is I'm gonna choose this plane, and here I'm gonna put -5 and then go 5, and then here we're going to offset this to around 50 and just simply add this information right here. This one will make it look really good and look really modern. Click on finish and click on cut geometry, and if we see that, as you can see, it really looks good. A simple, but as you can see, a big impact in the way the kitchen will look. So next thing we're gonna do is just gonna click finish, because what we can do next is go to level 1 and add another section here so that we could see it much better. So I'm going to flip this on this side, change the view range, and then just double click so that we have our section 2 right here, and we could just move this one on the side. So now I'm going to select this, edit. We have Glulam 36, so I want to make sure that this is the one, this is the same material that I'm gonna use. Click extrusion, pick a plane, and what I'm gonna do is click right here, select, and then here offset this to 10, and might as well put it in the midpoint, flip it, and I want around 450 instead, and then copy it, select, and just move it. 10 is perfect, that's the way I like it, and then just copy, select this, copy, and then put it right here on this side, and then another one on this side, copy it again, put it on this side, and then lastly on this side. The ones at that end, you just need to make it going inside, and then we're just going to leave it like that, and here we just need to change this to 10 and 0, and then here Glulam 36, click apply on that, and then click finish. So we have all of those. Also what we could do is edit again. I want to add some drawers as well, so similar to what we did, we just need to add 2 up here, or maybe another one drawer, and then offset this to 10, and then right there, and then SL right there at the top, and then now trim and extend. And then trim right here on this side as well. And then we have something that looks like this, but we're still not ready because we can void this, void extrusion, pick a plane, select this, again -5, and then put 5 right here to apply. Use this, offset 50, and then click right here, and then just select the edges. Use spacebar to change the orientation of the offset. Okay. And then we just need to finish up. And there we go. So click on finish, and then cut geometry, and then finish again, and look at it at 3D. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.